problem that they don't know how to solve. Like life don't make no sense at all. And everybody feels something that nobody feels. Hurting takes some time to heal. Everybody's got someone that they wish they could call. When tears turn into waterfalls, and everything keeps moving but you're standing still. Hurting takes some time to heal. Are you going through something that weighs on your mind? When any consolation isn't easy to find, but you never want to show it and you keep it concealed. Hurting takes some time to heal.
In the air, you feel that it's bringing back images. We're making our way at long last, feeling like a new day. If you can find it now, you're gonna see. Ooh, and if you send it back, we're gonna get it. Alright. Oh, merciful radio energy. We
네.